The hoverboard, aka self-balancing scooter, has brought an 80s sci-fi fantasy into reality. Unfortunately, you still need to educate yourself as a consumer to protect yourself from a bad purchase. We've separated the best hoverboards from the downright dangerous to bring you our top 5 list. Number 1. Epikgo Self-Balancing Scooter. Introducing Epikgo Classic Self-Balance Board. Epikgo is far from average, it's the next generation of electrical self-balancing board technology. Recently, the hover balance board industry took the world by storm as it showed a new innovative form of transportation. Besides being safer, Epikgo stands out because its durable build helps it tackle virtually any obstacle in its way. Travel through grass, mud, dirt and sand with this new device built to go anywhere and do more. Number 2. Segway Ninebot Drift W1. Not everything that self-balances comes in the traditional form of a hoverboard. Segway's Ninebot Drift W1, for example, is a pair of self-balancing roller skates. Each skate has a single wheel, and the riding experience is just what you'd expect: lean to accelerate, slow down, and turn. The Segway Drift W1 electric hovershoes are lightweight, portable and extremely unique. Designed for maximum comfort and fun. Number 3. Segway Ninebot S Electric Transporter. The Segway Ninebot S Electric Transporter is meant for grown-ups. Thanks to the design that includes a central steering column, it looks like something adults might ride. Because of the steering column, it handles differently than typical hoverboards. You turn by squeezing your legs together and applying pressure to turn, which may be easier for riders inexperienced with ordinary hoverboards. Number 4. Swagtron Swagboard Pro T1 Hoverboard. In a market crowded with companies selling hoverboards, Swagtron is one of the best-known brands and a good default choice for safe, reliable, and well-designed hoverboards. It's an excellent choice for a starter hoverboard because it has 2 distinct riding modes: a conservative one that limits speed and handling while you develop your hover legs, and an advanced mode that removes the board's limitations so you can ride faster and perform tricks. Number 5. Tomoloo Hoverboard. They're mainly intended for recreation, so they're pricey toys ridden by adults, which is designed to appeal to the younger set. It's available in an admittedly conservative black or a much more stylish cotton candy blue, and it has a ring of RGB LEDs around the wheel as well as in grooves etched into the front and rear. In other words, this hoverboard is colorful. It also has Bluetooth speakers to blast music while you ride. It's also light enough for kids to carry around.